Hey there! Thanks for stopping by manlybands.com to check out some of our fantastic rings. I have one here right in front of me, so come fly with me. Inside we have what we like to call the Crooner, which is one of our made-to-order rings. Comes in our made-to-order boxes. Well, actually the box is probably already made. Sorry guys, not everything's custom. The logo's custom though. You'll love that. Inside is this card welcoming you to the Manly Bands family. There's some information, some words, customer service within those words, and then these pictograms telling you how social media operates. Not really, just where to tag us, where to find us. So get your band, take a picture of it, tag us. We would love to see it. Inside, there we have it, the Crooner. Absolutely beautiful. This is cobalt chrome with a satin finish and a whiskey barrel sleeve on the inside. Now, if you're seeing the image there around the front of the ring, that is the New York City skyline, home to some of the best crooners to do the game. So it's great if you're into that old black magic, or if you're just going to head down to the jazz club over on 68th, which is, I'm sure, a street that exists in New York, probably. Inside the box also comes inside with? Nah, man. It just comes inside the box. It's our black silicone ring that's perfect for every occasion, whether you're flying to the moon or just singing about life, because that's the life. That's where I stop singing. Inside also are some special promotional offers that we think you'll enjoy, because we enjoy it, and when you're happy, we're happy. So thanks for stopping by manlybands.com and checking out the Crooner.